Let's make a cottage cheese egg bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and then line a baking pan with some parchment paper or a silicone mat. I'm going to be cooking some turkey bacon, and then go ahead and add your bacon to your baking pan. And then go ahead and place in the oven for about 20 minutes, but it depends on how crispy you like them. Now that I have the bacon in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up half of each of these bell peppers. And then go ahead and set your bell peppers aside. Add 1 cup of cottage cheese into my food processor, and then you're just gonna want to blend this until it's smooth. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a blender too. So you just want it to look like that. The bacon is done, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool some. So next in a medium-sized bowl, go ahead and add 8 eggs. And then go ahead and whisk all your eggs together. Next, go ahead and add your cottage cheese to your eggs, and then mix this together really good. I'm going to season with some salt and pepper. Mix that together. Go ahead and add your bell pepper in. And then I'll take 4 of my bacons that I have cooked, and I'm gonna chop these up. Go ahead and add your bacon to your bowl, and then add some cheese. I'm gonna do about 1/4 to 1/2 cup. Mix all that together. I'm gonna go ahead and take an 8x8 casserole dish and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. Add your egg mixture in. And then I did lower my oven down to 375 degrees, and there we go, it is all done cooking. I'll go ahead and put the full recipe in the description below, and then follow me for more recipes.